Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
So it is all about the question of trade facilitation agreement. First of all, you need to know what is trade facilitation agreement. Okay. See, it is one of the initiative of the WTO in the Bali talk. Okay. So it is all about to enhances the trade between the every countries. Okay. So first thing you need to know is why they created the WTO. Okay. WTO was created in 1995. Okay. So in 1991, India did the LPG reform. Okay, not only India, most of the countries became as a open economy. Okay, so lot of developing countries came into the global trade. Okay, so that led to the creation of the WTO to manage the fair trade, fair and transparent trade practices. Okay, and also to eliminate the discrimination. Eliminate the discrimination among the countries while they are in the trade activities. Consider that. Okay, consider China is doing export to India and Pakistan. Okay, for Pakistan they are selling the same product in the lesser price when it compared to India. Okay, for India they are charging a higher price. Okay, so this is called as a discriminative practices. Okay, so to overcome all these issues, they created this WTO. Okay, they will monitor the global trade activities. Okay, they came with this new idea called as trade facilitation agreement. Okay, so what this trade facilitation agreement means? See, again it is all about to enhance these objectives. Okay, for that only they created this trade facilitation agreement. Okay, so what it is aims for, to simplify the customs regulations for the cross-border movements of the goods. Okay, it was the outcome of the WTO's 9th Bali talk in 2013. Okay, G20 grouping played the crucial role in the ratifications. Yes. Okay, the agreement includes the provisions of lowering the import tariff. Okay, and the agricultural subsidies. Okay, and reducing the red tape at the international border and abolishing the hard import quotas. Okay, India have certain consensus in this trade facilitation agreement. It is all about the agricultural subsidy. Okay, we are providing the lot of subsidies to the Indian farmers, like fertilizer subsidy. Okay, and then fertilizer subsidy, electricity subsidies, seed subsidies, and then when it comes to the irrigation also they are providing certain things. Okay, so the Indian government is providing lot of subsidies to the Indian agriculture. Okay, so farmers, Indian are farmers. Okay, the trade facilitation agreement actually have the certain issues with these subsidies. So India, what the India said is, I am not going to sign this agreement. The reason is due to these agricultural subsidies. But after the continuous talk between all the developing countries and the developed countries, in 2016, India signed it and ratified it. Okay, so this trade facilitation agreement came into the pictures in 2017. Okay, so these are the major things you have to note. Okay, so according to the WTO estimate, this trade facilitation agreement will contribute to up to between 5.4 to 8.7% global GDP will increases due to this trade facilitation agreement. Such a way the WTO said. Okay, so what are the significances to liberalize the trade? Okay, and also upgradation of their infrastructures in the developing countries. Okay, so these are, and also to improve the transparency and reduces the possibility of the corruption. Okay, so these are the major motive behind this trade facilitation agreement. Okay, now we are going to look into that question. First, India has ratified the trade facilitation agreement of WTO. Yes, India done it in the 2016. Okay, TFA is a part of the Bali's ministerial package of 2013. That is also right. Same statement is right. Okay, TFA came into the force in January 2016. It is not, it is actually 2017. Okay, see, most important thing about this question is sometimes they are asking question based on the numbers. Okay, so they are ready to play with the numbers also. Okay, so it is actually came into the picture in 2017, but they put it in the 2016. Okay, so some of them have a thought that yeah, it is ratified. Okay, it came into the picture. Okay, so just they will go for an answer as 1, 2, 3. But the major thing is that UPSC can make questions based on the numbers also. Okay, you have a thought that they won't make this much of factual data. Okay, usually this much of factual things will be asked in the any state board levels, state level exams they may ask. Okay, even UPSC also can do this. Okay, so some of the things you need to be more precautious. Okay, before go for an answer. Okay, so the third statement is wrong. Okay, so the answer is 1 and 2 only, A. And also please note that main thing about the WTO. Okay, it is a consensus based voting. Okay, which means there is 100 members, means 100 members have to say yes, then only the policy or anything will happen, any decisions will happen here. Okay, if one member say no, okay, so then the decision won't be taken. Okay, this is called as consensus based voting. Okay, this is the main thing about the WTO. Okay, and the TFA came into the picture after 2/3 of the people ratified it. Okay, so these are the major things about the what is TFA and also what is WTO. Okay, thank you.